What's up, YouTube? Project RC back here. What's up, YouTube? Project RC back here. I'm very excited about this. I got some broom racing overdrive gears for my front after a little waiting from the rear, the Vanquish underdrive in the rear. I've been waiting for this. I can't wait to install it. I'll get back to you when it's all done and installed. Okay, YouTube, I'm back. I almost got it all the way back installed. I just need to put my axles back in, bolt up my bolt these back up, put my axles back in, put my diff cover back on, my wheels, tires, and hex nut. Oh yeah, don't forget the pin in these axles. You will have either just a rear two or a 3-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive RC rock crawler. You always want 4-wheel drive to maintain all grip. Other than that, I'm almost done. I hope to be back and it finished. Give me another 5 minutes and it'll be done. I wanted to give you a once over again on them now that I got a new mounting set up for my camera. First of all, this one is a gspeed V3 carbon fiber rails. Links are hardcore RCs links, high clearance links, upper and lowers. Axles are AR44s. I got a RC 4-wheel drive ballistic front diff cover, and the rear I have a stock one, but you will notice there is an extension, if you can see it, and that is a fish crawler parts link riser, AR44 link riser. Sorry about that. That was my other chassis. Let me get that out of the way. Okay, then I got a Vanquish 3-gear style transmission, and that has all Vanquish parts in it. And then I got a Yeah Racing 35 turn motor, Yeah Racing hack motor 35 turn motor. I got a Tattoo 850 battery, a Hobbywing 1080 ESC receiver for my Spectrum DX5C receiver. For shocks, I am running the SSDs. Servo, it's a ProTech 100T servo with a Vanquish 24 millimeter servo horn, 25 tooth on that ProTech. Then I got a gspeed chassis GLD laydown servo mount. And what else here? Oh, this will be getting a RC 4-wheel drive Hilux body, and I will be using the gspeed hard body mount, slider mounts. Tires, I got Proline Flat Iron XLs on 1.9 method 101s. I got, again, Krupp Carbon Works brake discs, and in the front rear. In the front, I got beef tubes, patties, and the 1 point not inside them. And what else here? What else? Sorry, I'm trying to think. Oh, for my body I have right now, I am using the gspeed body post mounts. And I suggest, if you are getting one of these bodies, I suggest you get aluminum spacers, whether they're from anywhere really. They're a lifesaver. Then, next up, I'll get this out of my way. Next up, we have my other gspeed V3. This will be getting a Team Garage Hack dual servo mount in the front, and in the rear, again, this will be running AR-44s, which I have. I just have them uninstalled for the moment, so I'm waiting on some parts for them. This will have a axial 3 gear again, and then this will be getting my creep body, and here are the tires I'm running. I'm running the Proline Flat Iron TSL Super Swampers. They will be getting the Crawler Innovations Little Nova soft fronts, medium rears. And what else here? Oh, I will be getting high clearance links for this one too. Just waiting on some stuff before I order them. What else here? What else? Oh yeah. And I do have plans for a V1C1 from gspeed to add to my collection. That will be running the 1.9 either KLRs or higher X's. 1.9, 4.15 KLRs, or the 1.9 KLR 4.19 size. Both these Class 2, Class 3s, I haven't really decided which one's which yet. We'll have 4.75 inch tall tires, so if I do decide to go Class 2 on both of them, I can run Class 2. And also, this will be getting changed from the steel rails to carbon fiber. And that's about it for now. I hope to see you later. Bye-bye.